Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Do you love traveling or spending weekends with your family and friends? Today, we'll learn how to talk about trips and vacations in English. We'll listen to 3 short conversations, one about going to the beach, another about visiting an amusement park, and one more about going to the zoo. Each conversation will help you learn how to make plans, give suggestions, and talk about fun activities in English. Let's start. Going to the beach. Carl, are you going to watch television all day?
No. Is there something you want to do?
It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We should do something outdoors.
Okay. What should we do?
Let's go to the beach.
Okay. I'll grab the beach chairs and towels.
Great. I'll pack some snacks and drinks. Don't forget the sunscreen.
Where is it?
It's in the bathroom cabinet.
Is there anything else we need to bring?
I'll bring the camera. I want to take pictures of the sunset.
Good idea. The sunset is beautiful at the beach.
Do you remember the last time we went to the beach?
No. It's been a long time. Why don't we go more often?
Because you're always watching TV.
Okay. Let's go to the beach when the weather is nice and watch TV when it rains.
That's a deal. Nice job. From this conversation, we learned how to make weekend plans and use simple sentences like, "Let's go to the beach." Don't forget the sunscreen. Where is it? These are perfect for daily English conversations. Going to the amusement park. Hi, Sheila. Have you been to the new amusement park yet?
No. When did it open?
Last weekend.
Was it crowded?
It was very crowded. Parking is terrible, too.
Did you have fun?
Oh, yes. The roller coasters are really fun. My kids had a great time. It was even fun for the adults, too.
I didn't know it was open yet. I will have to take my son soon.
You should. They will love it.
Are the tickets expensive?
Yeah, they're pretty expensive, but your family will enjoy it.
Maybe we'll go this weekend. We don't have any plans on Saturday. My son has been asking about it.
If you go on Saturday, try to go early. There aren't enough parking spots.
Okay, that's good to know. Do you have any other tips?
The lines for the rides are very long, so be patient.
Okay, I assumed that. Now I have to convince my husband to go.
He doesn't like amusement parks?
No. I have motion sickness, so I can't ride any of the roller coasters. That means my husband has to ride all of them with our son.
Tell him to be prepared. There are a lot of roller coasters. This conversation shows how to talk about new places and give advice in English. Useful phrases include, have you been to yet? Was it crowded? Do you have any other tips? Try using these when you talk about your own travel experiences. Going to the zoo.
Hey, Steve. My family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions? The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors. Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend. How about a picnic at the park? We do that often. I want to do something more fun. How about the city zoo? I heard that bear cubs were recently born there. That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time. Then you should definitely go this weekend. The last time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out. That must have been boring. It was boring. The kids wanted to go home early.
The animals should be more visible since the weather is going to be sunny this weekend.
Yeah, I think we will go to the zoo. Hopefully, this time it'll be more fun.
Actually, I have 4 tickets to the zoo. You can have them. Our family won't be able to go. The tickets expire this weekend.
Thanks, Steve. Let me pay you for them. Zoo tickets are expensive.
Don't worry about it. It's my gift to you, since your last visit was not fun.
Are you sure? This is very generous of you.
Also, you mowed my lawn a few times after I had back surgery last year. I really appreciated that.
I'm glad we're neighbors.
That was such a kind conversation. We can learn helpful expressions like, "Do you have any suggestions?" "You should definitely go." "Are you sure?" It's great for friendly, polite English. So today, we learned how to talk about fun trips to the beach, the amusement park, and the zoo. The lesson we can learn from these stories is simple. Spending time outdoors with family and friends brings happiness and great opportunities to practice English. If you enjoyed these conversations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time for another easy and fun English conversation.